Hi, this is Art with OCRV here in Yorba Linda. We've got a Sprinter Airstream Interstate Class B van up on the lift today, and we're prepping it for the Select frame bench. This thing took a pretty hard hit to the back, and as you can see, this vehicle becomes pretty complicated. It's got storage containers, generator, it's got your propane fill station under here. You've got all your black tanks and your plumbing for your black and gray tanks, your electric steps. You've got your freshwater tanks. You've got your propane tank under here. So what we're doing now is we're prepping this van because all the suspension and the engine will drop out of this, which we'll show you in a couple days, and it'll be put on the Select bench to straighten the chassis on this. So this vehicle is put back to exact factory specs, and you're protecting your interest and your investment in your RV. So if you need any Sprinter repair, please check with us at OCRV in Yorba Linda, and we'd be happy to help. Thanks.